In this demo, we want to show how we can animate a bit of user interface simulating a pop-in using the software Figma and Jitter. So we want to take this bit of interface across to the Jitter software. So selecting the interface, opening the Jitter plugin, pressing copy, we can go to Jitter and paste it, or press the open in Jitter, which will start a new file in that software. I'm just going to Alt-Tab to Jitter where I already have the interface. We can see the same elements, the title, the tabs, and the carousel of social elements. So I will be adding quick animation presets that follow the style guide for animation. So a header will do a fade pop-in as we arrive on it, and that will be of 0.4 seconds. Similarly, the tabs, the whole tab element will fade in 0.4 seconds, and then these individual carousel items will also have a preset added to them, but we will use the slide in preset, sliding in from the right, slide distance of 150 pixels, and we will make it 0.5 seconds and slowing down. Okay, so if I start this animation from the beginning, it kind of waterfalls the one element, the next element, and the following element. And we could do that in Figma using the different slides to bring in each element. We want to add a bit more character using the timeline. And how we would do this is we would stagger the animation on top of each other, which we cannot do in Figma. So as the headline's coming in, we will start animating the tabs halfway through the animation, and then in quick succession move in each individual carousel element. And I've done this by adjusting each of the animations on the timeline, moving them from left to right. And let's see how this looks. The animation is really snappy and everything has a bit of elasticity towards it. And I think that's quite a good animation of how things would pop in. But let's add in a little bit more touch. Let's simulate someone scrolling to this space. And I'm going to add an animation to the whole section that houses everything. And I'm going to go to the custom area where I can add in a move. And we're going to move it from, say, 500 pixels, 500 pixels down the page. And I'm going to change this to a slowdown. And I'm going to drag this animation across our whole space during the pop-in. And I think that's quite a good effect. You can see it simulating a scroll in as our elements fade in or slide in following our guidelines. So we can see that we've built something really quick using the two pieces of software, and we've got a better effect that we would have had in Figma. Thank you very much.